Let's pipe this cool buttercream chrysanthemum together. First, grab a flower nail. Pipe a mound of buttercream in the middle using tip number 80 or 81. Hold the tip upward and pipe a ring of 5 short petals around the center. Continue to pipe additional rings while moving slightly away from the center. The first few layers should be pretty short and straight, and as you work your way out, they should gradually get taller and longer. Try to pipe these petals closely together because allowing them to touch will add stability to the overall flower. For the last few layers, angle the top of each petal away from the center to open up the flower. This will help give it a bloomed appearance. The more layers you add, the larger the flower will be, so pipe it to your desired size. Don't you just love the texture of this flower? When you're done, check it from the top to make sure the shape is nice and round. Now take tip number 2 and fill the center with small green dots. Using the same tip, top it with a few yellow dots for added contrast and dimension. There you have a completed buttercream chrysanthemum.